This pepper spoon. One, two, three, four, five, six. So just I'll cook 10. I'll cook 10. I'll cook 10 and prevent 2. Are you blind? Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm cooking, that you remove my pot and put your own pot? What is this? Are you deaf too? I'm talking to you.
It's like you're insane. You're insane. What am I doing? Is it not the same cooking? How dare you? Linda, put back my...
Don't try me. What is this for my husband? Which husband? Linda, back my pot. You belong to the psychiatric. I want to cook for my husband. Which husband? Don't cooking for my husband. You can continue to cook that rubbish. Which husband? Is it that tiny man of a husband that you intimidate and disrespect? Hey! Is it that tiny man? Don't talk to my husband like that. How dare you? I came into this kitchen first. Please don't provoke me. I entered this kitchen first. Please, maybe I should remind you that I'm the first wife of this house. My husband is the first son of this family, so I automatically own this kitchen. You belong in a psychiatric group for saying that. You belong in a... You have no right to enter into this kitchen and start to remember what I'm cooking. You are stupid. This is my kitchen. Which kitchen? This is my kitchen. Try me. Don't try me. Linda, don't try me. Wow. Look at me very well. Look at no.
My husband.
Which stupid husband?
Born of this family.
Which firstborn?
So that automatically makes me the owner of this kitchen. So when I'm done cooking, you can cook that rubbish, that trash, that
Which
disease.
husband? Which husband are you talking about? Is it the tiny husband that you are disrespecting and intimidating? You think that you can treat me like that?
Don't you
dare! You think you
talk
can bulldoze me like that? Don't you dare! I will suffocate you with pepper. I will suffocate you with pepper. You will eat pepper. You will swallow this pepper now. You will swallow pepper. You will swallow pepper now. You will listen. You will digest this pepper now. Is she mad? You will eat pepper. Pour my pepper now. Pour my pepper.
for work.
Honey, I just said I'm ready for work and you're not saying anything.
Husband, go to work now. Go to work and don't disturb me, please. Please, I'm busy. Just go. Ah.
Really?
User.
It's okay. Linda, we've just been sitting here and you've refused to say anything. You've refused completely.
Just feel worried.
Worried? About what?
I'm worried that my husband is flirting with someone else. And I'm not supposed to say this kind of thing out loud. But I'm worried.
Why would you? I mean, I know this has always been an issue between the both of you, but why would you think that right now? Is it that you have evidence that he's cheating? I don't understand.
I will not say, it's not like that. It's just that sometimes if we're together and I see like young girls passing, I look at his face to see if he will catch a glance at them. And then I'm seeing his side eye. He's looking at the girls up and down, coded. And he just coded. And I'm like, do you get? And then recently he has been very distant. Like he'll just be on his own. If we're in the room and we're together, like he'll be pressing his phone or, pressing his laptop. And then I ask him, how are you doing? Like, he'll just get defensive, like, wow. I'm like, I know his voice is very bold. So, like, whoa. I'm just, so like, here and there, I'm like, I don't know.
That's a red flag you really need to be worried about. It's a red flag.
What do you think?
He might just be clueless and nonchalant about how his actions are affecting you. Right. And it's also possible. It's possible that he's not cheating. It's possible that he's not having an affair.
Right, because these thoughts that I'm having of him being unfaithful, I need to take that thought away from my mind.
Yes.
Because he might not be.
Yes. I really think you should.
What do you advise me to do, though? What's your honest opinion about the entire thing? What's your honest opinion?
I think you should, talk to him. Like, confront him about your concerns.
If I confront him and I'm wrong, like, he might be angry and I might lose his trust.
Linda, it is better for you to know the truth. Even when it hurts, you need to know the truth. I mean, if you talk to him and you find out that he's not cheating, yeah, he will be mad at you, but that would also help him know that he's doing something wrong and then retrace his steps and, try to gain your trust back.
Huh? I need to protect my marriage.
Yes.
I need to fight for my husband.
Yes. Yes, most definitely.
I need to do all of that.
I think you should.
So I must
have a conversation.
I must face him.
Yes.
I should face him.
Yes. Linda, you're married to a man you love so much, and I know he loves you too. The both of you need to communicate. You need to talk things out. That's how it works. Okay? It's okay. You're overthinking again. It's okay. there's no reason to cry in this one. You've spoken to me already, so I think you should talk to your husband. It's okay. Everything is going to be fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine, okay?
Hey, baby. I got you this.
Please. Please drop it and get out. Get out now. Get out. Do you want everybody to hear my voice? Drop it and get out. It's a nice wristwatch, but in a red box. Really? Red?
Linda, listen, I have had somewhat of a really tough day at work. Extremely tough, right? I mean, I know that face, and the last thing I need right now is you making it worse.
I'm not making any face.
I just want to go to
You're
sleep.
not going to sleep on this matrimonial bed. That's all I'm
on,
saying. Give
come
me the
on.
explanation that I need, then you sleep. If not, you leave.
Why do you have to be like this, huh? I mean, you don't even care about me. You don't care about virtually everything that has to do with me. All you do is make life worse and living hell for me each time I come back to the house from work. You keep on nagging when the normal thing that you're supposed to do is open your lovely arms, hug me, take care of me, nurture me into a good night rest. Do you have to do this? Aren't you tired of this?
You're asking me that? Me, tired? Are you not tired of cheating?
What?
Are you not tired of inserting your bongologo into every skirt in town? You say you go to work. I know that you live here. You go to your concubine's place. How many concubines? 1,000. I don't even know how many there are. 1,000.
What is wrong with you?
You go there to offload your milk, to refill their tank.
Better stop this minute. What the hell has come over you? I don't even understand you anymore. Why are you acting so oddly?
Okay. Are you denying it? Are you going to deny that you're not flirting with women? With women's? Are you going to deny it? Deny.
Oh, that's what you want to hear. Yes, I'm flirting with everyone. I'm flirting with every woman on the goddamn planet. Are you okay now? Are you happy now? That's what you want to hear. What are you going to do about it? Nag? You do that all the time. Keep nagging.
Raymond, did you just...
Yes, I said that to you. And the only thing you can do is keep nagging. You can nag throughout the night for all I care. I don't care anymore. I'm already used to it.
Raymond.
Just look at you.
Raymond.
What have I done wrong to marry a woman like you? Huh?
Raymond.
You lack trust for your own husband. And now because you lack trust, you are tearing this marriage apart. A marriage that is barely even 1 year old.
You are the one that is breaking this marriage. You are the one. How do you expect me to feel when you choose women over me, singular me? Me! How do you expect me to feel?
You know what? I have no regard whatsoever concerning your feelings. You can choose to feel however you want to feel, okay? I know what I'm doing. And I know that I am not cheating, but you keep nagging every single day.
You are the most shameless husband on planet Earth.
Oh, really? That's nice. Because you are the most shameless wife that I married. I'm so ashamed that I married you. This is what you wanted, right? This is the kind of night that you want every single time I come back. Now you got it. You got it. Are you happy now? Fuck. Oh, shit.
Ray, this is not the right approach towards handling your wife. You're giving her more reasons for suspicion.
I don't care. If that's all she wants, then I don't give a fuck anymore.
Hey, you don't need to say that. Hey, you are the man of the house. So peace should be your priority. No matter the misconception she has about you and cheating, admitting to this cheating just to bounce on her is totally wrong. It's wrong.
How can you even understand me? Huh? How can you even relate? My wife has no iota of trust for me. And this is beginning to drive me nuts. I mean, it has gotten to a point where I am now resenting the vows that I made to her. Bro, you know me. You know how I am. I love my wife so much. I will never ever fathom any thoughts that will be directing towards hurting her.
That's why you should defend yourself, okay? No matter the state of emotion she might use to attack you, you don't need to be paranoid about it. You should have greater influence over your wife. If she's down, come on, find a way to bring her up. If she's angry, just calm her down. If she's in tears, hold her hands and comfort her. That's all you need to do. Before you know it, all these glitches that you're going through in your marriage will be a thing of the past.
What have I not done? What have I not done as a husband? I have done my bits. I have done well enough to cater for her, to love her, to look after her, and carry the home as the man of the house. But on the other hand, my wife doesn't relent at laying a faulty foundation for us to lay on.
That is meant for you.
Even without evidence, bro.
Linda's vulnerability with her unguarded thought. Just getting over her head, just getting her pissed, getting her mad. All you need to do is to love her.
You, uncle?
Bro.
You, uncle? Your wife doesn't stress you? At least not as much as my wife stresses me. Why is my case any different?
I stand to disagree. Both have separate perception about life, so you can't compare both of them. Listen, bro. You need to build your home now. Build it this early. Do all you can. Protect your wife. Make her feel loved. That is all you have to do.
I hope. I just hope.
You'll be fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dear man.
Linda? Oh. What is it? What is it? Talk to me now. What is it? Why are you still on your letty? Huh?
I was right.
What has accepted that he was cheating outside of marriage? It's a lie. He said it. He said it. He was very proud. It's a lie.
You have no idea how I felt.
Hey! Men will stain your white. Jesus, Jesus. Ha! Linda. Jesus Christ. Ha! Linda. You must not relent. You must not relent from securing your husband from the hands of these vultures. All the vultures outside there. Hey!
Why am I so unlucky? Like I was thinking Raymond was my better half. I was thinking he was the perfect match. Look at, like things are worse than ever.
Sister, look at. Marriage is not better for us. You have to make it work. This is marriage of your day. It's for better for us.
Josephine, how can I win? How do I make him? How do I stop him from being a cheat? How do I stop him? Do I tie his own? Do I tie it?
Sister, cheating is inherent in men. It's ingrained in their blood. There's nothing you can do about it. Even if you tell them now, once they go out and they see all this nash that is looking like a caterpillar, it will stand. Even the rope that you use in tying it will cut. So what I just advise you, sister, what I just need to advise you is that anytime he comes home, don't give him peace.
Give him fire, give him trouble. That's the only way he will not have the energy to be chasing all these vultures all over.
He do this to me. Why? Why?
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, don't worry, everything is going to be fine. Hey, just calm down.
I'm calm.
By the way, see, my husband, the man of my dreams. See what he got for me. He just got me this beautiful wristwatch.
So
Thank you. You can say that again. Hey.
I'll say it once.
I must confess that Diamond is the best man in the world.
God, I thank you. I thank you for the day you blessed me with Raymond. He's the absolute best. Sister, I feel bad. This joy that I'm having, I cannot even express it the way I want to express it. Because I found out that your husband actually accompanies mine. So these places he gets me the beautiful, exquisite and thoughtful gifts. I begin to wonder why he doesn't take cues from my own husband. I begin to wonder why he has refused to learn from my husband. Like, it's so easy picking cues or even asking my husband how to teach him how to treat a woman right, how to treat his wife like a queen. Why has he refused to learn? Like, I can't even begin to place it.
It's okay, whether Raymond is a cheat, whether he does being a cheat, I'll keep loving him.
Hey.
He's a cheat, I'll love him and I'll keep reminding him. Keep reminding him.
That is the virtuous woman you want to keep. You have to keep the energy, you have to keep the power of resistance. So when God is on your side, He will cheat. He will put through, He will change. Don't worry, He will change.
Forgive us when it's like you're his friend. Listen.
He will change. He will do it. This is what you can do. Face him with prayers. Face him with prayers and fire. He will change.
Maybe you go meet the husband and tell tell him a very big thank you for this amazing gift he got me. Okay? Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine, okay?
Yes. Babe. What's wrong? What is it?
Diamond. Diamond.
Hey.
Diamond. What is this? What is this useless thing you got for me?
Hey.
How many times have I told you? I have told you countless times that I don't like red. I don't like red colors. But you went ahead to buy me a jewelry in a red box. Are you daft? Are you crazy? Have you lost it?
Hey. This was the only thing closed in the store that is attractive. Go to your jewelry.
Okay. Because you got me a jewelry now, I should be dancing, I should jubilate, I should call all my village people to dance with me because you got me a useless jewelry in a red box. Go into my wardrobe. Check all the outfits I have there. You will not see one red, down to my shoes, to my bags, to my jewelry, even my makeup. You will not see anything red. And you went ahead to buy me something in red? Are you stupid? Like, how do you even think? Like, how do you even think?
Baby.
Right now I'm wondering how you keep excelling at your place of work because you don't even think with your head. You're very daft.
I'm sorry, okay? Escaped my memory. But that shouldn't have pushed you into slapping me.
I will slap you a million and one times. I will slap you a million and one times to reset your memory. Look at you. Instead of you to go on your knees to apologize to your queen, you are defending yourself, telling me why I should not slap you. If you had done right, if you had not triggered me this night, will I slap you? Will I hit you? Apologize to me. Apologize to me.
I'm sorry.
I didn't hear you well. Say it again.
I am sorry.
It's not loud enough. Say it again. Say it until I'm content.
I am sorry.
Keep saying it until I'm satisfied.
I'm sorry.
Okay, get out. Take this rubbish out of my sight. I don't want to ever see this nonsense in this room. Take it out. Rubbish. Hey. Come back. I said come back. I've already showed the gift to Linda. I don't want her to see it outside and start asking questions. I mean, she must not know that I'm protecting a silly and a stupid husband that cannot use his thinking faculty. Keep it inside the wardrobe. I said open the drawer and keep it there. Do you want to beat me now? Do you want to beat me? You're the one that offended me. You're the one looking at me with Okbolo eye. You want to open your eye and beat me? I don't want to.
You shouldn't be sleeping on the couch. Can you come to the bedroom?
As if he cares.
If this is a question of whether I care, I just ask you to come to the bedroom. Can you come to the bedroom? I want to cuddle my wife.
You want to cuddle your wife? With the same hands you used to cuddle your concubines?
Linda, are we going to do this again?
Yes. I have dignity. Yes, we are going to do it again. I'm not going to sleep with a cheating husband on that bed. I'm not going to do it.
Oh my goodness, what was I even thinking? Was I blind when I got married to you not to have seen this filthy behavior? Were you a pretender?
Raymond, you are a hypocrite. Now, when I think about it, you claimed to love me so that you can imprison me in this thing called marriage and continue with your cheating ways. True or false? True or false? True or false?
Did you just call me a hypocrite?
Mm-hmm.
You know, you are getting me all riled up this minute. And I'm struggling, battling in my head not to smack the hell out of the tiny face of yours.
Smack? You want to beat me? You want to beat me? I know you are a cheat. But I didn't know that you wanted to add woman beater to it. Take now. Do you want the back? Hit it. Hit my back. You want the front? No, now. You're all rallied up. What front? You want the hands?
You know what, I blame myself for even coming downstairs. So I asked you to the bedroom. See that center table over there? You can lie down there for all I care. I'm going to my room to sleep peacefully.
Go.
And by the way, I could always use the soap.
I will never use that bathroom. I'll use the guest bathroom. Don't use my soap with your filthy hands and filthy body.
You know, I am trying in this marriage. I am trying to make things work. But you've ceased to appreciate my efforts.
I don't understand. Effort? What effort exactly? Eh? Tell me. What really are you doing? What effort are you talking about?
You know, I'm just confused trying to understand the kind of woman I am married to. I show you love. I show you so much care. I protect you. I provide everything for you, but you only see my flaws. Why?
Diamond, you are not living up to expectation. Simply step up to my standard. Is that too much to ask? Is that a big deal?
How am I supposed to know what you're talking about when you don't say a word?
Because you are dumb.
Communication is a vital key in marriage.
You're dumb. You're dumb. I mean, I've told you countless times that you don't know how to treat a woman right. I've even tried my best to teach you how to treat me right.
Josephine.
But no.
Josephine, you know, raising your hand on me at any given opportunity is a big blow. No, you go out there and act as if our marriage is a perfect marriage. But behind closed door, you're a beast.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare use those vulgar words on me. Ever in your life, don't even try it before I will sand you down. Are you mad? How dare you use that word on me? Are you insane? Are you stupid? Eh? Just so you know, whatever I turned out to be today, you made me. You turned me to this person that I am today because I'm a queen. I'm a sweetheart. I'm a loving wife. But you turned me into a nag. That is who you've turned me to.
How?
I am tired. I am tired of continuously teaching you how to treat a woman right because you lack everything in that aspect. You lack it.
Josephine, I leave this house and come back every day with a gift just to make you happy. But no single word of appreciation to motivate me to do more.
Motivation will kill you.
What do I get in return?
Motivation that I said now, it will kill you. What stupid motivation? Eh? Okay, see the gift you bought me today now. You bought me a fine wristwatch. I must admit, it's a fine wristwatch. But you want to put it inside a red box. How dumb can you be? I've told you more than a zillion times that I don't like red. My wardrobe, my shoes, my bags, no red colors. Yet you went to buy me something and you put it in a red box. Like, you just do these things at times. It just makes me wonder how you are excelling at your workplace because I can't even place it. How stupid can you be?
Josephine.
You're stupid. You're stupid. Please. It's late. I want to sleep. You have made me nag from morning to this time. It is time to refresh. It is time for me to sleep and have a good sleep. Please, let me sleep. And I don't want to hear film from you. If I hear film, you know me. I don't want to hear a word from you. Please. I want to go to sleep. Let me sleep and wake up in peace. Thank you, sir. Good night. Look at him. This husband. Very unromantic.
The first thing I get to hear from my wife this morning is those demeaning and repulsive words. you realize I'm your husband.
Yeah, if real husbands are talking, you like this, you will come out. You will come out and want to be amongst them. Diamond, it's high time you tell yourself the truth. Tell yourself the truth that you lack the qualities of a good husband, a real husband, a real African husband. You lack the qualities.
And what do you think?
Tell yourself that.
Your wife? Come on. You are dreamy. You're nothing close to a wife.
Look at this one. Look at this one, useless husband. I am better than you. I am better than you and you cannot stand it. That is the problem now. I am wiser, I'm smarter, I'm more knowledgeable than you. You can't stand my shine. That is the problem.
See, you're just a frustrated woman that don't know what she wants in a marriage.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? How dare you insult me?
Just say.
Like, how dare you insult me?
Were you sent from the pit of hell to be a thorn in my flesh?
I will remain a thorn in your flesh until you start using your sense, because you are dumb. You are dumb, Diamond. You are dumb.
I'll keep acting the fool in this marriage. But you have to be watchful and mindful of what you do.
Okay. Babe, why are you not eating? Why are you not eating?
You know I can't eat if you're not here.
Babe, you're so sweet. But you have to eat because you need to go to work. Okay?
That's right.
Come on, eat. You know what? Let me feed you. Let me feed you from mine. You like it? Okay, just keep. More. Let me give you more. Sorry. Are you sure you don't want water?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, darling. Would you like to have some? Come on. Come on, dear. Take it. Go ahead. Babe. Oh, you want to have water instead? Yeah, that's fine. Come on.
Hey!
What was that for?
This rubbish, don't ever try it again. Don't ever. You stay in your lane and I stay in my lane.
Linda!
Oh, is it?
I'm so sorry.
I was already dressed for work.
I'm sorry.
I was already dressed for work.
So,
Um,
where are you going to? Just hold on. When we are gone, you can go talk to her.
Okay.
I guess I need to go change my clothes.
No, I think you should eat your food. Okay, when you're done eating, you can change up, okay?
Lost my appetite.
No, I think you should.
Oh, no, Diamond. How do you expect me to focus on work now? I mean, well, all that just happened, I practically lost my mood.
Bro, this shouldn't bother you, okay? See, your wife thinks you are a cheat when you're not, so that's more reason you should keep going.
Are you suggesting that I pretend that I am not married? Because that's something that I cannot do.
No. What I'm trying to say is avoid her.
Avoid my wife?
Yes.
Diamond, are you actually avoiding your wife?
Hey, Ray, come on.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You're not. And you know why? Because your wife respects you. She adores you. She literally elevates you and makes you feel like the man of the house. And that's what a woman is supposed to do. And in reciprocation, you also lift her up. Make her feel like the woman of your dreams. And that's what couples do. But in my own case, it's different. And now you're asking me to avoid my wife.
Wait, you think I have no reason for saying that?
I don't know. But what I do know is I'm not ready to avoid a woman that I'm legally married to.
I know it's quite inconsequential, but I'm just trying to say that you should let peace reign. You know, let peace be your craving. Give her space, give her time. She will come around.
You know what, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought it up, okay? Let's just go to work. I'll find my way around this. I'll sort it out myself. Forget I mentioned it.
It's your choice.
Linda, that was way out of line. Pouring water on your husband when you know fully well that he was dressed to go to work. That was too much.
Josephine, at this point, I would do anything. At this point, Josephine, I would do anything to show my cheating husband that I deserve everything good. Good things deserve me.
My sister, I understand. But you have to be careful so that you don't end up becoming the one that'll be blamed. You have to be careful.
To be blamed?
Yes.
Why are you being sentimental? Raymond is at fault here.
I know. But out there, you just showed him the dangerous side of you. See the way he was shocked at what you did to him at the dining. He was shocked.
He made the biggest mistake of his life. And I'm not that kind of woman that will sit by. I can't sit by and just watch him chase other women. Never. Never.
I know. And I'm so happy with the way you're handling things. I mean, you're dealing with him squarely. It's a good choice. I mean, a lot of women would rather find out their husband's side chick and pick a fight with them.
Why would I fight with other women? I'm not going to fight another woman. I'm not going to do that. I'm the last person that is going to receive embarrassment from the street or whatever. No.
Good.
He intentionally wanted to bring shame into our home, to tarnish our family name. He's married. He knows he is married. He's the one to be blamed. He's the one that carried his own blah and be inserting it into everything. Aye. Every hole that is there, every garden, every forest, everything, he's inserting it into that place. Like, why?
Sister, I'm sorry. But you know men, they will shame you. These men, all these men, they will embarrass you if you don't take necessary actions. But something in me is telling me that with the way you are reacting now, you know, he might find out that one day you would go and fight with one of these, you know, side chicks. So
it's not me. It's not me. It can't be me. He's my target. Raymond is my target. He's Oblonglo. He's my target.
Good.
He's my target.
Good. Keep pestering him. Keep, you know, putting pressure on him. Don't worry, he's going to change.
I will change him. He'll be a changed man. I will be the one to change him now. I'm going to save this marriage.
You will. I will do it. I trust you. You will do that. Don't cry, okay? Don't beat yourself up, okay? I mean, you're doing the right thing. Huh?
This marriage is draining me, slowing me down. It's taking a lot from me.
I'm sorry. Stop using those words, okay? Sorry. You know what? I'll just go downstairs and get you your food.
I'm not hungry.
Don't say that. You're going to eat too.
I'm not hungry.
You are going to eat. I'm not going to, you know, be in this house and you remain hungry. I won't let that happen. I'll go downstairs and get you your food. And please stop crying. Okay? Please. I'm coming.
Okay. I can never cry.
Baby girl, how are you? You good?
Yeah, alright. He's going to ask you something. My mind is just here and there.
What?
About my marriage. Okay. Do you think I'm overreacting?
Overreacting?
Mm-hmm.
No. I mean, you've been looking for reasonable and tactical ways of, you know, curbing your husband's cheating habit. And that includes doing everything possible to make sure it stops, to make sure you're successful at it. So I don't think you're overreacting.
But my instincts, it's just like my gut feeling, it's different. My gut doesn't lie, my instinct. You know the thing they say, trust your gut, it doesn't lie. It feels different.
Okay, I don't...
say trust your gut. You have to trust your gut. You have to trust your gut.
Okay. Is it that you now believe that your husband is not cheating? Or you now have evidence that he's not cheating? What is it exactly? Linda, you're not saying anything.
Yeah, my husband, he accepted that the last time I approached him that I was unsure.
Exactly. He told you with his mouth. So why are you saying you're overreacting? I mean, you have what it is. You have the evidence. I mean, he told you that he's cheating. So whatever you do now, people are not going to say that you're overreacting.
You think?
Girl. Your husband is going to come back home and act all nice and, try to become the sweet husband he has never been. Don't fall for it.
Okay.
It's just a trick. He's just trying to, make the home front peaceful while he goes out there and cheats with those small girls. It's just trick. Don't fall for his deception. It's all deception. Listen, I have dated a man that was a chronic cheat. A terrible liar before I met the one for me, before I met my soulmate, Diamond. That guy, he was terrible. The lies, the pain he put me through, it was too much. You don't deserve to cry over a man like this now. See, you don't deserve it. Stop crying. This cry is not going to solve anything. Sorry, I'm coming.
Why are you shouting?
Oh my God!
You are shouting.
Oh my God!
You are literally shouting.
I have to shout because I am married to the best man in the world! My husband is the best! Oh my God! Oh my God! This morning, I just, casually asked my husband to, send me money for shopping because I just need to pick a few things from the boutique, and I didn't even believe that he was going to send it to. And now, see, he sent it. He even doubled the money I asked for. Oh my God! Hi, Diamond, you're so sweet. You are the best. I want to prepare for shopping. Do you want to come? This your crying is going to make me want to go for this shopping.
Don't go.
I should not go. I would have loved to stay. If I don't go for shopping now, my husband is not going to be happy with me. Okay? Don't worry. I will tell my husband to talk to your husband to send you money. Don't worry. Even myself, as I'm going now, I'll buy something for you. At least what I'll buy will also cheer you up. Okay? Don't worry. Then we're going to dress up and go shopping. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh. Linda, I'm off. Are you sure you don't want to come?
Like you're so fast. You normally take forever to dress up for your fast.
I have to hasten up this time around. I have to come back home to prepare something nice for my husband. Yes.
No problem.
All right. I'll see you shortly, okay? Don't stop crying, no. Stop crying. Tears are not good for you, oh. They will spoil your eyes. Yes.
Oh my, what a day.
What a day you did.
Yeah. Catch you later, bro.
How'd you going on?
I just want to chill. Yeah. Whew. Hey. Come. Come. Darling, I want you to know that I love you, okay? And I will always treat you right. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making you feel bad. I'm really sorry.
I'm not asking for too much. I just want you. I just want all of you to myself. Just you and I. It's not too much, is it?
You have all of me. Believe me. Come.
You're back. Welcome. What happened? You're so irritated. What happened?
Nothing, I'm fine.
You can't be saying nothing. You're fine. I can clearly see that you're not fine. What happened out there?
Is it not the stupid cab guy that brought me?
Which cab guy?
Can you believe that we agreed on a particular price before bringing me home? And on getting home, he decided to increase the price, telling me that I should add more money.
Is he mad? Can he do that?
Like, it's just crazy. I'm really pissed.
Hope you didn't pay him more than what you both discussed.
Am I stupid? I gave him his money. He rejected it. I just threw it at him because it's none of my business. I gave him what we agreed.
Sorry that you met a crazy driver.
It's not even making any sense to me. I'm really pissed right now.
Sorry.
Vic, how long has my husband been back?
20 minutes ago.
Thank God. Because I really need to be in his arms right now. I need someone to calm me down. I actually bought you something.
Okay, the bag?
No. I would sort it out and get you yours, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I need to go meet my husband. All right.
Cab drivers pouring their frustration.
Sent me for shopping was not enough. It was not enough.
I gave you exactly what you asked for, and I added extra 5%.
Need I remind you the hike in prices? Do I have to remind you?
So why the blame? I gave you exactly what you asked for.
Do you know that I called you? And called your phone? You didn't pick up. You refused to pick my calls. I was even hopeful
I was hopeful. So I told the sales girl that they shouldn't worry, that my husband was going to, pick my call and send money, but yet you refused to pick my call. They had to remove from the things I bought, and they chased me out like a common thief.
You know how busy I am at work. As you can see, I am still busy.
I'm talking about how you embarrassed me. You're talking about work. How are they even related?
Why do you derive joy in slapping me?
I keep slapping you to reset your brain because it's like your sense has eluded you. It has gone. If you're to avoid anybody's call, if you're to miss any call in this, your whole world, in your entire life, it should not be your wife's call. Huh? What is wrong with you? It's just common sense.
No, I have never raised a finger.
You will not try it. You will not try it. They never born you well. You will not even dare it.
Well, I have my reasons. Growing up, I watched my parents, how they lived happily. And my father warned us never to lay a hand on a woman. Fortunately, I'm not going to break that oath. Else, I would have beaten you.
You will not try to beat me. Beat me now. You beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Stand up from that bed and get to work. Beat me now. Touch me. You touch me if I will not break you into two. Touch me. Philmond, I am here. I'm beating you now. Retaliate. Beat me now. Beat me. Touch me with these stinky hands of yours and see what is going to happen to you. It's like you're stupid. You are the one that humiliated me. You're still the one that's sharpening your mouth. Instead of to be remorseful and apologize. Apologize like a real man. You are there talking about beating me. Beat me now. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me now. What are you still waiting for? I need more money. You need to send me more money right now so I can go back to that boutique and pick the things that I dropped. Useless man. I don't have energy to make dinner today. Go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat. I said go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat. Go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat. I will slap you again. These are the issues. These are the issues. You're the one making me beat you. Useless work. Useless work.
I just hope these feelings last. I can feel peace within me again. I love you, Raymond. I love you.
What? Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Good. Just say, wake up, wake up, wake up! Wake up!
What is it? Why don't you want me to sleep in peace? What is it this early morning?
Did you just say peace? Sleep in peace.
What happened?
No, can you see my face?
I can see it is red.
Is that all you have to say?
What do you want me to say? Husband, what do you want me to say? Is that why you are slapping me? This early morning, you're taking your hands on me.
This is what a wife did to her husband. That she feels no remorse.
Remorse? I don't understand. What do you mean by remorse? Why should I be remorseful by correct? I corrected you. I reset your brain. Why should I be remorseful about it? Please,
My
please.
face was perfect yesterday. What am I going to tell my co-workers? What am I going to tell my brother?
You are even lucky that this other side is not red. I should have scratched all your face so that everywhere will have bruises. Because so that your world will finally know that you don't have sense. Eh? Why don't you want your wife to live a peaceful life? I'm sleeping a peaceful sleep now. You are coming to beat me. Why are you so wicked? Please, please, please. Let me sleep in peace.
Wow.
Please. Oh God, what kind of marriage is this? There were so many men out there that I could marry. I said no. I want to die on your head. See my life now. What's this now?
Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Morning.
That posture is rather suspicious. Is something wrong with this?
No, nothing, just Jimmy Foster.
Indeed, you don't better to stay like this and be eating like that.
I just feel like relaxing.
Yeah. Just a second. No, just relax. I want to see what's there. Okay, I want to see what's not there. Come on, take it out. Take it off!
Nothing.
Take it off!
Man, I don't know that you.
Who did this to you? No, you have a blemish on your face and you can't tell me it's nothing. Who did this to you?
Okay, fine. I had a misunderstanding with someone at the restaurant east. We were talking on Villa Islam.
Just like that. What happened to his face? What did you do to him?
No, I don't.
Oh, fuck that! By the way, why didn't I see it yesterday?
I'm not sure it tells you why I woke up and I saw this.
Are you sure it's okay? You know, I actually think it's high time you stop being Mr. Nice Guy. I mean, this is too much weakness. Some random dude can just eat your nose scot-free. Come on, look at you, man.
It's like, okay, let's forget about this.
I just feel good, okay?
So, I saw you walking here, so happy. So, what's the good news?
Yeah, I just definitely some good news.
Okay, tell me.
I don't know, for some reason or the other. First of all, let me ask you, did you hear me and my wife chatting, ranting, fighting, quarreling? Yeah, that's because she did something unusual, something she's never done in a long time.
Okay.
She kissed me, and we had an amazing time in bed.
Really?
Yeah, I'm so happy about that. You know, I'm pretty much sure I want to secure this. I mean, this is a good win for me.
I'm really happy for you. Trust me.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope it continues, you know.
What are you doing?
Come on, we're celebrating. It's a win-win, remember?
Oh, you're so funny.
By the way, let's go. We'll leave for work. Don't worry. Be happy.
What is happening? Why are you so happy? What's this? Oh, looks so good, though.
My dear, I just want to be exuding positivity. And again, I want to start showing my husband love and care, affection, happiness, snacks, sprinkle with a bit of happy endings around. Like, I don't want to be rude to him anymore. So I just want to be happy.
Wait, I don't understand.
Oh.
Linda, shine your eyes, oh. Shine your eye. Don't let soap enter your eye, it's a river. Which one is I want to start showing my husband love? No, from where to where?
No, I've thought about it. Oh. It's the perfect choice. It's the right thing to do. Like,
It's the perfect choice.
it's the right thing to do.
Hey.
I don't want to be rude to him anymore. Like,
Eh? If it happens now, it's still me. You will still come and cry to, oh, my husband this, my husband that. Let me tell you something. That rudeness, that rude part is the best way. It's the absolute best way to handle your husband and handle the situation right now. It is. Trust me on that.
but I've thought about it.
Okay. Oh. I mean, anything that would make you happy is what
Just
I
want him
would
to be happy.
Yes. I mean, I want you to be happy too. By the way, where are you going to?
The friend's birthday party I'm going to.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey! Linda! There's fire on the mountain. And you're going to a friend's birthday party.
Just
Hey! Hey! Ah, Linda, I am just going to advise you as the very good friend that I am. I am your best friend. I am your good friend. Forget about this, what did you call it? Birthday party.
it's just
And focus on your husband. Monitor him bumper to bumper. That is what you need now. You need to secure your home. You need to secure your marriage and have a happy marriage like I'm currently enjoying. That is what you need now. Not jumping about going to parties.
okay, you're giving me all of this advice, candid advice, but you're not even applying the advice to your own husband. You're asking me to monitor my husband. You're not monitoring your own husband. So I feel like maybe I should just give my husband free hand.
Linda! Wait, hold on. So you want to use your husband to compare my perfect husband? You want to use your husband to compare my husband who is a fine, perfect gentleman? My husband is not a chronic cheat like yours. My husband doesn't run after everything on the skirt. He's faithful. He has eyes for just me. Unlike your husband. All these things I'm telling you now is so that, you would be able to enjoy marriage the way I'm enjoying it. Your husband would have eyes for you and you alone.
Just sometimes, honestly, I feel like I'm the one that's just imagining things. What if he's not a cheat? What if? I'm just thinking and imagining. Because I know if my husband is cheating, your husband is going to tell me, he's going to confide in me and let me know.
They play. Just they play. So you think that my husband now will rat your husband out? You believe it? You will grab it and think it's true. I don't understand. Have you forgotten how close they are? Have you forgotten the bond they share? Baby girl, wise up, oh. Wise up and secure your home. Secure your marriage. This thing is for better, for worse. Show the world that you're a lioness. Eh? This is survival of the fittest. Fight for your marriage. Fight for your home. See, if your husband refuses to be faithful to you, grab him. Grab him with both hands and sit him down so that you have eyes for just you. This is war. This is fight. This is your marriage. This is the man you love. Hi. I wish I was the one. It can never be me. If it was me, hey, Raymond would have changed by now. I'm not even kidding. By now, he would have changed. Wise up, oh. Wise up. Anyway, I've given you the advice I can give as a good friend. It is left for you to do the needful and, secure your home because I've tried. It's left for you to, take my advice and do what's right. Linda, what is it? What is it? Talk to me.
I saw a lot.
What did you see?
Raymond is a scum. An unrepented cheat. He's a fool. He's foolish. He is foolish. Raymond is foolish. You are a fool.
Linda, calm
You
down.
are a fool.
Calm down.
You are a fool.
You've just been calling your husband names. What exactly did he do? What did you see?
I saw him talking to another girl.
Hey!
I caught him red-handed.
Jesus! Jesus!
I caught him red-handed.
Hey!
And you know to know the worst part? She entered into his car.
Hey!
To heaven knows where.
Jesus! I knew it. I knew it. I said it. I knew it that Raymond is not reliable. I knew it. This is my instinct. It never lies to me.
I'm so disappointed.
Jesus!
I'm so disappointed. Like the thought of my husband cheating on me disgusts me. Think about the disease, the sickness.
My sister.
Inserting inside every, just inserting.
Hey.
Different.
Hey! Before you know it now, that's how he would come and chase you out of this house and bring in one of those vultures. Hey!
That's not possible. Nobody can replace me in this house. No woman can replace me in this house.
My sister, that's meant for you. Oh. That is meant for you. Before you know it, he will chase you out. But all you need to do is to secure yourself in this house, is to keep giving it to him, bumper to bumper. Give him fire for fire, so that he will not have space to bring in all those vultures to take your place. You have to secure your man. Do everything you can to secure your home.
What I don't understand is we keep saying women supporting women. Women supporting women. I'm not saying the support. Where is the support? Women who see a man, a married man with a wedding ring, they will be mingling with the man comfortably. They will be mingling with my Raymond comfortably.
Linda, I am not even going to support you on this one. Because 95% of the time is this married men that, entice these young girls with gifts and money. And I am so sure that Raymond is one of those men that are enticing these women. It is Raymond. It's written on his forehead. It's written all over him. He is the one chasing these little vultures. It's Raymond. I believe it. I believe it. It's Raymond. Hey.
Why, Raymond? Why?
Hey.
Why?
My sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You need to be strong. I'm so sorry.
Like, am I not okay?
You're okay. You're very beautiful.
I mean, I have 2 hands, I have 2 legs.
Hey.
Is my face not okay?
Men are insatiable.
The same type of mouth. If all of us, we all have holes, I have my own hole. What is wrong with my own hole that it cannot stay there? I have it. My hole is there. Is something wrong with my hole? Why can't he insert it there? Is something wrong with it? Like it's right there. I have it.
Sister.
I have everything now.
Men are not content. It is their life. I feel so bad for you. I'm so sorry. Don't cry.
It's okay.
Take heart.
It's okay.
This too shall pass. Don't let anybody take your happiness.
Nobody can take my joy.
Nobody. Hey! Raymond. See the queen you have. It is not enough for you. You are doing tale outside.
Carrying a blong everywhere.
Jesus. Hey! Baby!
Yes, baby.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was work today?
Well, work was hectic, but here I am in your arms.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about work.
The absolute love of my life.
I miss you, baby.
Wait a minute. Why do I suddenly get the vibe that I have now become the most invisible man on the entire planet?
I'm sorry. You know that I would notice my husband's presence first before any other person.
Of course.
So I am now just anyone?
No. I mean, you're not just anyone. You are just my husband's brother.
Just his brother?
Yes!
Younger brother.
Alright. Enjoy it while it lasts. I'm still waiting.
I'm sorry. Welcome.
Let me go change up. You guys will have fun, huh?
Alright. Okay, babe. Let's go inside.
Thank you.
Hey, babe.
A shameless man. A cheat. A public latrine. That is who you are.
What is going on? Have I done something wrong?
What have you not done? You disrespect me. You disregard me. You damage my image. What have you not done?
You know, babe, you seem to confuse me most of the time. 1 minute, you are nice and an amazing, caring, loving wife. The other minute you become a tiger, and I just don't understand you anymore. Is there something wrong with you?
Okay, one question. Just one.
Shoot.
Why are you cheating on me?
What? Cheating on you? You know what? Enough about this. I will not tolerate you accusing me falsely without evidence. You need to watch the words that come out from your mouth.
We are husband and wife. We are married. We are one. This union is one. You are not meant to break this union by cheating. Fuck.
Where's all this coming from?
Breaking your home?
That was when I had no evidence.
My brother is never cheating on you.
He's your brother. He's your blood. I understand that. But I am ashamed that you cannot advise him, you cannot teach him to stay faithful to his wife alone instead of chasing other women.
See, I can swear with my life. My brother can never cheat on you. Believe me.
Newsflash. I caught him with a girl.
Ray, with another woman?
And I'm only telling you because I don't know who she is, so I need you to tell me who she is. And whoever they are. But if they ever come to this house pregnant or otherwise want to, I will.
Courageous woman, lioness, action woman. My friend, give me 5. Give me 5. Ah! You're my friend for a reason. Ha! Ha!
Raymond just wants to spoil my life.
Ironically, you are the one that is going to spoil his life. I mean, I saw the action you took out there. Hey! Even me that was afar, I could feel the heat. I could feel the ooze. Hey! You gave it to him. Ah, Linda, we are friends for a reason. We are friends for a reason.
Did you think it will change him?
It will change him. This is the right path. Before you know it, your husband will be crawling back into your arms. It's the right thing to do. This is the right energy to dish out.
I'm ready now.
Hey!
So it begins.
It has begun.
I'm preparing.
That is the energy. That is the energy.
So it begins.
Hey!
I'm prepared for him.
Hey, I'm proud of you. I mean, you should be proud of yourself. You should be proud of yourself. Hey, all these men that they will think they can, keep a woman at home and be doing nonsense outside.
I'm ready for him.
Aha!
I'm ready for him.
Exactly.
I'm ready for this marriage. This marriage will work.
It will work. It will work in Jesus' name. All the vultures that want to take your husband, Holy Ghost, fire. Hey, I'm happy for you. Hey, you know what? Let me go and meet my king. Let me just go and meet my king. He's waiting for me. It's not good to keep your husband waiting. Let me go and meet him and, lie in his arms. Don't worry. Your own is settled. Before you know it now, all the problems in your marriage is over. This iron hand you're using to hold your husband is the best. Yeah? Let me just go and meet my diamond. Okay? Take care of you. Keep up the energy. Hey!
She said she saw you with a lady during working hours.
A lady? What lady?
Lady.
Oh, wait a minute. You said during working hours. Since, of course, that must be Damilola, the company secretary.
Dami what?
Damilola, our company secretary.
Dami what? What are you doing with her?
Wait a minute. Wait. My wife has been stalking me. No wonder she was able to come up with some false conclusion that I'm cheating on her. What manner of wife would cheat on her brother?
Right. Don't deviate from the most important part.
I am not trying to deviate, bro.
So, were you with her or not?
Yes, of course I was with her. I was with Damilola. Is there a problem with that? Come.
Ray, what are you doing with a married woman?
What are you insinuating, bro? That I have something to do with our company secretary? Come on! Don't even give me that.
Ray.
Alright, fine, I'll explain. I was on my own in the office and she came up to me and demanded a favor. She said she just wanted me to help her drop her off at some cake shop that she needed to get some cake for her husband. And who am I to decline? I mean, that was just an ordinary gesture. I said, okay, fine.
So whatever happens to all the car she has, that she had to come meet you for a drive.
Believe you me, I asked myself the same question. I even asked her. She said the car that she brought to the office developed a fault. And even though the technical guys are working on it, she had to get the cake immediately before the cake shop closes. So I had to help her. It was nothing more than that. Come on.
Okay, fine. I'll talk to your wife.
You should.
Hey, most importantly, avoid her.
Avoid my wife or Damilola.
Dami.
Come on, man. What are you talking about?
Just avoid her. Okay?
This is someone that does some of my violence for me, serves me coffee and all that.
For now, avoid.
Okay, so why don't we just lay her off? Sack her, retrench her, or even retire her, whatever. Why are our wives dictating for us, even in our own offices? This is getting too much. Diamond! Shit. Avoid her. Fine. I mean, she's just a secretary, yeah, of course. Of course, I'll. No, sit down. Sit.
I don't want to sit down.
You don't want to sit. Fine. They won't stand talking. Now you listen to this, Linda. I am utterly disappointed in you. You actually following me around town now, stalking me? Linda, why?
Why?
Yes,
I
why?
asked you first. Why are you cheating on me, Raymond?
Cheating on you? Do you realize that's a very, very silly act to conceive? It just shows you have no iota of trust for me. How am I supposed to be even sure that you love me? Huh? Look at what you're doing to our marriage. Look at my brother and his wife. Look at how they flourish. Their marriage is running smooth.
Your brother is sensible and responsible. You, on the other hand, irresponsible and stupid.
Excuse me.
What is wrong with you, Raymond? Why are you breaking this union?
Did you just
Why?
call me stupid? Do you realize you are laying the foundations to tear our marriage apart? You know what? You really want to hear it? I'll tell you. You see those women that you saw? Those beautiful women? Each and every one of them, I have spent an amazing quality time with them. How about that? That's what I thought.
Hey. Ray.
Don't.
Ray, just get hold of yourself, okay? You're not a drunk. Just stop.
I don't care. I don't care if I'm a drunk or not. I remember my late father. Our late father once said that one of the ways to deal with our worries is this.
No. You should be a man, okay? Little things like this shouldn't turn you into something different.
My wife's callous behavior, little things.
What I meant was, things like this, just be a man. A man should be able to control himself, his emotions, his actions. So you can just turn into something else because of her. No.
I have been a man. Be a man, be a man. That's all we get as men. What else can I do? Anyway, I really don't expect you to understand. How would you understand? It takes a man of similar experience to understand the feeling that I'm going through right now.
No.
Give me that.
No, wait.
Give it to me! Just give it!
Just stop! Can you just take it? Can you just take it easy? Huh? Okay, fine. You can go ahead and kill yourself. I don't care. Just so you know, I am not going to drop a single tear if anything happens to you. I am not. Kill yourself.
I'll be fine.
No, you're not fine.
I'll survive this. I'll survive this. I'll come true.
Okay. Can you just stop already?
No. Leave me alone. Diamond, don't.
I am begging you.
Diamond, please.
Ray, you're my best brother. You can't be doing this. You can't.
Stop.
Raymond. Babe, what is wrong with him?
You can see for yourself. I have been begging him to stop, but he's not yielding.
Babe, I know exactly how he feels. Raymond, I know how you feel. Huh? But you have to take things easy. Okay?
I'm trying.
Bro, please. I'm begging you. For her father's sake, for her mother's sake.
No.
Please.
Oh, stop.
Please.
You're gonna hurt me. Stop it.
Babe,
Stop
babe,
it. You're gonna hurt me.
babe,
Stop.
babe.
Stop.
Babe. I think, we need to let him have some, time to himself. He needs some space. Huh?
You know, I can't just leave my brother in this state.
I know, but right now he needs to be left alone. Okay?
I just want to be left alone. Please.
Please, let's go.
Ray. You can't be doing this.
Let's go, please. Let's go.
What is it?
What are these doing in your back? What is funny?
Because you are funny.
How am I funny? Am I a stand-up comedian now? Why are you laughing? What's funny? I really don't get why you're laughing. Why are you laughing?
This is funny. It's funny.
What's funny about this?
Because you're supposed to know that.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? I'm asking you a question and you're laughing.
What is wrong with you? I mean, can't you just get hold of yourself?
I'm not going to get hold of myself. I will slap you over and over again until you tell me what these condoms are doing in the bag of a married man. What are they doing in your bag?
You know, I am sick and tired of your excesses. I am sick and tired of you slapping me every single time. I am tired. What is wrong with you? No, I can't take this anymore. Do you get it?
Let me catch you. Let me just mistakenly find out that you are cheating on me.
Cheating on who?
I will so deal with you. I will so teach you a lesson. And I'm not going to be nice like Linda. I will never be nice
Linda
like
is far
Linda.
better than you. Don't even go there.
Ahmad, are you stupid? How dare you say that to me?
She's far better than you.
She is not.
Does she know that you are abusive behind closed doors?
How dare you say that to me?
Not.
What are you doing here? Who invited you here? Get out. I said get out! Get out! Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Are you cheating on me? Diamond, are you cheating on me?
Josephine, you are pushing me. You are pushing me, and when I start, you can't contend with the level of my aggressiveness.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do? I dare you to do your worst. You lying, cheating bastard. I dare you to do your worst.
Enough.
What are you going to do?
Enough.
You can't do it. I dare you.
Enough with your excesses.
You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. You are a cheating, lying, cheating.
Get out. I'm warning you.
Diamond, you just shocked me. Diamond! Diamond! Diamond!
No, I can't pardon. I just don't get it. I don't get it. All this while, you and your wife have been at loggerheads with each other. Mommy, better to say she's been abusing you. And you kept it to yourself without even telling me?
Hey, it's my marriage, okay? And it's private.
Oh, really? Private, you say? Yet I share mine with you. You practically know everything about my marriage.
Because you never drew a line of confidentiality. No, you just want I and my wife to meddle.
Why should I? You are my brother, for crying out loud. My own blood. Why should I draw any line of confidentiality?
So I can join you to do so. No matter the bond we share, I can't.
You know, that actually hurts, but it's fine. I totally understand. I mean, I have to understand. For the similar reason that my wife is better than yours, I'm sure that's why you think that way. Because my wife will never physically abuse me.
She's my wife. And I love her that way. I love her for who she is.
What are you saying? A woman that strikes you at every given opportunity on your face?
Bro, see, there is more to marriage. There is more to marriage than you think.
Come on, spare me that detail, okay? I am a married man as well. I mean, what are you trying to convey?
Real men protect their wives.
You know, you're actually sounding very weird right now. Like you, I don't know. Something's wrong somewhere. As a matter of fact, I'm sorry to say, but what you just said sounds really, really stupid. Why would you say anything like that? Huh? What exactly are you protecting her from?
Ray. Enough. You have no right to tell me how to treat my family, how to do my own family. You have no right.
Sure. I have no right. Babe, I have amazing news for you. Guess what? I was able to secure an amazing apartment. Trust me, it's so beautiful, it's classical. It's even far more better than this one. And you and I will be moving into it by next week.
Over my living body. We are not leaving this house.
Baby, relax and listen to me, okay? I did not rent this apartment. It's ours, I bought it. You should be happy.
If Diamond can obey Josephine's demands, who are you not to do the same? We're not leaving this house.
Wait a minute, what's going on? When I discussed this with my brother, Josephine wasn't even there. What has she said to you? What is she talking about?
I need the rest of it.
I thought you were going to be happy about this. Babe? What a woman. What more can I do?
Leave my way.
Why have you been avoiding me? I should ask.
Get out of my way.
Why have you been avoiding me?
Get out of my way.
Oh, she's mad. Why did you lie about having the perfect marriage and then advised me to further cause problems in my own marriage? Well, why did you do that? Why?
Linda, I did not persuade you.
Okay.
You came to me for advice, and I gave you one.
A disastrous advice. Look at my marriage. It's crumbling brick by brick. Do you want to see it down?
I don't care what it does. I really don't care.
Linda, I think you should care what it does.
It's none of my business.
Can we talk about your marriage very briefly? Can we do that? Let's talk about it. How is it that you have been bullying your husband behind our backs, and then right in front of our faces, you're all lovey-dovey with him? Like, what are you trying to achieve? What is your purpose? Talk to me.
Stay away from my marriage. You have no right, absolutely no right to talk about my marriage. You have no right.
It's like what you wanted was for me to have an unsuccessful marriage, but you have failed. You have failed.
Listen to me. And listen very good. I don't want you coming close to me in this house. Don't you come close to me in this house. Stay in your lane. Mind your business, and I will mind my business.
I see you for what you truly are. A homebreaker and a destroyer. That's who you are. Like, what would I be doing with you?
Be mindful of me.
And if I'm not mindful of you, I'm trying to talk to you calmly. And if I'm
Linda,
not
stay out of my way.
What is wrong with you? Which one is shameless man again?
What is not wrong with you? You're sitting there by your phone like a customer service, waiting to receive the calls of your numerous girlfriend. Go out there. If you want to answer the calls, get out there and answer the calls.
Linda, do you know what your problem is? You have suddenly become so insecure over nothing, and that's the most annoying part. Over nothing. Just look at you. I've become an entirely different person.
Broke my trust, you cheated on me and you say I'm insecure?
You're the one that does not trust me. Because if you did, you would not be following me around town without my knowledge in the first place.
I needed verification. Is that a problem? And I was right.
Okay, fine. Let's just say in all eventuality you found something. What are you supposed to do about it? Aren't you supposed to find a way to resolve things in your marriage? You think nagging is going to solve this?
I'm meant to fix a cheating man. No, call them now. Pick up the call. Pick up your call. Public latrine. Go out there so that you can be used publicly.
You know you're so unimaginable right now. You're so unbelievable. I don't even know who you are anymore. Hello. What is wrong with you? Don't you know that when somebody does not pick your call 3 to 4 times, it simply means he's busy? Don't you have common sense? Don't call my number again. What's wrong with you? Can't you wait till you see me next time? Get off my phone.
It's not enough. I need onions. It's pepper sauce. One, two, three, four, five, six. I'll cook 10. I'll cook 10. I'll cook 10 and prepare 2. Are you blind? Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm cooking, that you remove my pots and put your own pots? What is this? Are you deaf too? I'm talking to you.
It's like you're insane. You're insane. What am I doing? Is it not the same cooking? How dare you? Linda, put back my...
Don't try me.
What is this for my husband? Which husband? Linda, back my butt. You belong to the psychiatric. I want to cook for my husband. Which husband? So I'm cooking for my husband. You can continue to cook that rubbish. Which husband? Is it that tiny man of a husband that you intimidate and disrespect? Hey! Is it that tiny man? Don't talk to my husband like that. How dare you? I came into this kitchen first. Please don't provoke me. I entered this kitchen first. Please. Maybe I should remind you that I'm the first wife of this house. My husband is the first son of this family, so I automatically own this kitchen. You belong in a psychiatric group for saying that. You belong in a you have no right to enter into this kitchen and start to remember what I'm cooking. You are stupid. This is my kitchen. Which kitchen? This is my kitchen. Try me. Don't try me. Linda, don't try me.
Wow. Look at me very well. Look at no.
My husband.
Which stupid husband?
Born of this family.
Which firstborn?
So that automatically makes me the owner of this kitchen. So when I'm done cooking, you can cook that rubbish, that trash, that
Which
disease.
husband? Which husband are you talking about? Is it the tiny husband that you are disrespecting and intimidating? You think that you can treat me like that?
Don't you
You think you can bulldoze me like that?
Don't you dare!
I will suffocate you with pepper. I will suffocate you with pepper. You will eat pepper. You will swallow this pepper now. You will swallow pepper. You will swallow pepper now. You will You will digest this pepper now. Is she mad? You will eat pepper. Pour my pepper now. Pour my pepper.
Leave me alone!
What is your problem? Why do you always have to pick a fight with Linda? It's enough that I tolerate your excesses, but taking it to someone's wife is a no.
I knew this was going to be your judgment. You're going to protect me.
Protect you? No, protect you over what? No, who is to protect each other? You or me?
You saw her embarrass me. You saw how she was making more than laying insults on me. I expected you to get in there and beat her to a pulp. I expected you to beat her.
Never. Hello? I can never lay hands on my brother's wife. Not in this life, nor the next. Okay? Everyone knows that you are the stubborn and troublesome. And let me warn you, ever in your life, raise your hands on me again.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Oh my God, you're hurting me! Leave me! Leave me alone!
Don't you ever again.
Ow! Ow! Ah! Oh my God! Hey! Hey! Ow! Ah! Ah! Jeez.
I really don't understand what our home has turned into. I'm quite astonished how we got here.
Yeah, bro. You know, Diamond, if Dad and Mom were still alive, this would have brought a great disrepute to them.
We feel them even in their absence. It's crazy. I mean, the way we were brought up shouldn't have led us into this mess, this big mistake.
Well, as for me, at least I was transparent enough. But you, I don't know, for some reason or the other, you just chose to conceal your marital issues from me.
Raymond.
I don't know. I mean,
Raymond, we shouldn't be having this argument, okay?
okay.
What we should be thinking about now is how to bring peace into this house. Not to be arguing about some... Okay, we all have our own marital baggages and whatever fight that has ensued between our wives. So we should be talking about how to resolve this issue.
Yeah. You're right. I mean, I don't see the possibility of having perfect decorum in this house as long as Linda and Josephine are sharing the same space. It's always going to be a never-ending clash.
So, What are we going to do?
One of us has to leave and get another apartment.
Wait,
Yeah.
you're saying that one of us should move out?
Yes. Wait, come on, you don't think that's a great idea?
I think that's a nice idea.
Good.
At least we will have to face our wives and not our wives facing themselves.
Exactly.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I will get an apartment and then move out with my wife.
No. You?
Yeah.
No, bro, listen, bro. You are the first son of this family, okay? You are not going anywhere.
Raymond, it changes nothing.
It does.
It changes nothing as
It
long as
does.
we agree.
Bro, listen. I will move out with Linda and I will get another apartment. And I insist, please do not contest this. I beg you. This is how it's supposed to be.
Raymond.
Come on, bro.
Okay, fine. I will call an agent to sort out the apartment thing.
Well, better not sweat it. Apparently, I have a guy that is into real estate. I'm sure he can fix me something nice. I'll be fine, don't worry. I know you care. Bro, how about I fix you up a beer, huh?
I'm fine.
No, don't top me down, bro. Brandy, whiskey, water.
Oh, that's fine.
All right.
This is my husband's sitting position. You cannot occupy here.
Josephine, I'm not arguing with you. Your husband is the first son, yes. But he's weak and easily manipulated by you.
Hey, look at her.
So please.
My husband loves me. My husband loves me. He adores me. He worships the ground I step on. What about you? What about you? Your husband is a chronic cheat who doesn't love you. Do you know the #1 killer of marriage? Cheating. And I'm here to announce to you that your marriage, this thing you call marriage, is going to end.
You
think
your own marriage is going to last?
Hmm.
Wait until Diamond has sense. You know he's senseless and his head is full of nonsense. Then he's going to chase you out of this house.
Be worried about your own husband. be worried about your own husband. My own husband loves me. He adores me. But what about your own? Your husband is a chronic cheat.
A cheat who enters everything in between skirts. Yes, that is who your husband is. And one day, let me tell you, one day, your husband is going to replace you with one of these, hot, beautiful girls with amazing shape, all like you.
No problem. You can talk, but when you're done talking, put his foot back on his place.
Hey, you want to start, though? You want to start? This is what you did in the kitchen the other day. I'm on my own. Mind your business. Let me mind my business. I don't want to fight with you. Please, mind your business. Stay in your lane. Let me stay in my lane. Linda, stay in your lane. Let me stay in my lane. Please.
My king. My king. Your food is ready.
Maxwell, this is important. It's urgent, okay? You have to do anything you can, okay? Any amount, anywhere I would pay. Yes. Okay. Where? Okay, go. Yeah, just get back.
Pick up the call. I need to talk to you.
I'll call you back in a minute. Yeah. Why did you interrupt my call?
I've had it. I've had it up to here. I've had enough of that your stupid and useless brother's wife excesses. She's intentionally getting on my nerves and I can't take it anymore. I cannot accommodate it anymore. I am done. I've had it.
You both are mature, so I see no reason you can't settle your
Please. Don't even bring that settlement bullshit. Don't even bring it to me. I'm not settling anything. Just do the needful and send them out of this house.
What?
You heard me. You heard me loud and clear. Send them out. Send them packing. This house can no longer accommodate me and that useless, stupid woman. It can never accommodate me and her again.
On what ground?
You are the first son of this house. You are the head of this family. So anything you say is final. If you tell Raymond to move out of this house, he has no right to object to you. So please, my husband, send them packing. I've had enough. I can't live in this house.
Hey.
I can't coexist with them anymore. I'm done.
I and my brother are one. My father died and never shared his asset. Neither did he entrust any of his property to any lawyer. So you see, we're meant to stay together. That was what my father did. Okay?
Damn, this is your problem. This is your problem. You have a very, very slow thinking. Your thinking faculty is extremely slow.
Really?
Your father is dead and gone. So there's room for changes. There's room for improvement. I don't know why you're trying to go back in life.
You think we are not wealthy enough to build different houses for ourselves? No, but the motivation was because of what our father told us, to stay together. My brother and I are inseparable.
Diamond, you're married. You're married to me. I need privacy. You need privacy. We both need our privacy. And these people being in this house with us. It can't even work. It can't work. They need to leave. Okay, they need to move out already. Please, I'm not even, I'm not forcing you. This is me begging to please send them out.
Why do we have different rooms? For privacy's sake.
No, there's no privacy here. Because we share the same living room. We share the same sitting room. Their door is just opposite ours. So there's no privacy here at all.
Maxwell.
I'm talking to you, you're making call. I'm talking to you, you're making call. I'm talking to you, I'm saying something serious, something that is bothering me, you're making call.
Just listen to me. Talk to me. Can you just hear me out? What is it? Fine. What is it? Okay, see. Whatever decision her and your husband made was not influenced by anyone. Okay? This is the best choice to end this mishap in this family.
You know you're so worthy to stand out in front of me. Look at you. A failed husband. A weak man, easily controlled and manipulated by Josephine. Look at yourself.
Are you insulting
I'm
me?
not insulting. It's not an insult. Your entire existence on planet Earth is full of insults, harassment and embarrassment. Your face alone, your entire appearance states the fact.
Really?
My husband and I, we're not going to leave this house to this rubbish. What happened?
You just insulted me.
What? Linda! 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 How dare you? How dare you talk to my husband? How dare you insult my husband? What gave you the right?
Are you mad?
You are mad.
You are mad for thinking you can cajole your husband into deceiving my husband to leave this house. You are demonic.
You are demonic.
You are Satan.
You are insane.
Oh, why would you point your fingers at me?
No, stop! Stop! Stop!
Point your fingers at me.
Stop! Leave me alone!
Let me teach you a lesson. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You, I will deal with you.
Just allow
I will beat you to the
Allow her to go with her troubles,
I will
please.
slap you. You are mad. You are mad. You are insane. You are insane.
Babe,
You are
let's
insane.
go.
Leave me alone.
Babe.
Let me beat you.
Please.
Let me beat you.
Leave me! You are a fool! You are useless! Leave me alone! Leave me! What is that useless, stupid woman still doing in this house, her husband? What are they doing in this house? What?
This house is still your house. So they will remain here, we will fight each other
Never!
and die.
Never! Over my dead body will they remain in this house! Over my dead body!
What is meaning?
Oh, I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. I know you don't have any feelings for me. That's why you stood there. You watched her beat me without doing anything. That's why you don't want to listen to me. That's why you don't want to send them out because you don't love me. You don't have any feelings for me. You don't love me.
Stop!
Oh, you want to beat me now? You want to join your brother's wife and beat me? Leave me alone. You will not have peace in this house. If they don't leave this house, there's no peace. They will not have peace. You two will not have peace in this house. You want to frustrate me? I came back. You told me that your brother's wife was insulting you. I came to hold her and she was beating me. You helped me so that she would beat me more. She was beating me and you did nothing. You watched your brother's wife beat me and you were doing nothing. There's no peace for the wicked. If they don't leave this house, no peace for them. Even you, no peace for you. You will not have peace. You will not have peace. Do not force in this house. We have peace. We will kill ourselves. Day in, day out. No peace. You will not have peace. I will not have peace. Since I said I will not sleep, you two are all of you bastards. You will not sleep. You will not sleep. You don't have peace. You don't have peace.
The worst nightmare have brought upon myself. This marriage. I have married the wrong woman. The woman that does nothing but damage my life completely. Have I committed a crime to love? What sort of a life am I living? Is this marriage? What have I gotten myself into?
103. Welcome home.
Are you really happy the way this family has torn apart?
You're asking me? Me? Ask your wife.
Hey, we're trying to make amends here, okay? Just accept the idea and move into the house your husband bought. This is the only recourse to handle what is happening in this family.
I don't know who must... Why am I saying I don't know? Your wife masterminded this whole plan. She's the devil.
Hey, you're getting
She's
it
the
all
demon.
wrong. You're getting this thing wrong. You're getting it wrong.
I'm not going to sit here and allow a man that's not worthy of staying in my presence talk to me. Your low-class aura, it stains me.
You're insulting me.
You're an embodiment of insult. You reek of embarrassment. Harassment is your second name.
What?
Hey, baby!
Just look at you!
Why are you taking me away from my husband? That's my husband! Hey! Hey, don't beat my husband! Baby, are you okay? Baby? Baby, are you okay?
You see, that's where your husband.
Why are you taking me away from my husband? I need you away from your husband.
Hey! Ah! Oh my God. Ah! My body hurts. Why am I in so much pain? Diamond. Oh my God, what happened?
Yeah?
Diamond. Oh. I'm in so much pain. What happened?
I'm sorry.
Wait. I was drunk last night. Was I beaten up by street urchins?
No. You are not.
What's wrong with you? What's with that face? What are you sorry for? What happened?
I saw you on top of my wife.
What? No.
You were kissing and romancing my wife. So
No way. No.
I descended on you. Yes.
Oh my God, I'm in your room. What am I doing in your room? Oh shit. I'm drunken self.
I'm sorry.
Shit. Oh my God. No, this didn't happen. Where are they? Oh fuck. Diamond, I told you. Diamond. Look at us, man. Look at us, Diamond. Look at our lives. Being ruled and ruined by women. And these women are actually our wives. Our own wives. How long is this going to continue? Oh my goodness. Couldn't you have gone a little bit soft? I'm still your brother. You want to kill me? Oh, damn it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine, I understand, but I mean, apparently you're a strong guy and you, oh my God. Yeah. Are you sure I don't need a doctor? Because I feel like my rib cage is broken or cracked.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. I'll be fine. Where's my wife though? Shit. Guy. Oh, damn it. Linda, I think I've had enough. I am done with this marriage.
Sorry?
You heard me. This marriage is over.
Are you well? I mean, you seem unwell.
It doesn't matter what it is. What matters that I've had enough, okay? All that remains now is for the divorce papers to be ready and then you will sign them. I'm done. Can't do this anymore.
You will not try it. You will not try it. You have cheated on me with countless women, countless times. With your brother's wife. You almost slept with your brother's wife. I did not say anything. I did not ask for it. I did not end the marriage.
Are you kidding me right now? Did you just say that to me? That I almost slept with my brother's wife?
You are no shame, that's why.
You know what? At this point, it doesn't matter what you say. Because my mind is already made up and it is irrevocable, I promise you. All you have to do right now is to go out there and find yourself a man that will be faithful to you just the way that you like it. Do you understand? And I give you my blessings. I wish you luck.
Whatever thought you have about terminating this marriage, terminate the thought. This marriage cannot be terminated. I'm not going to leave my matrimonial house for anybody.
Really?
I am a married woman. I will look as such. And I am such.
Fine. We'll see who owns this house. Your matrimonial house, right? Let's see about that. Ah. What a woman.
Hey, babe, what is it? Jesus, baby, baby, babe, what's the problem? Why are you chasing me? My God, baby, you're hurting me. Please, okay. Okay, what have I done this time? I'm willing to apologize. Please, just okay, forgive me. I don't know what I did, but please just forgive me, okay? Please. Baby, please, just open the door. Jesus. Oh my God. Hey, no, please, God, no, please. Please, this is not happening. This is not happening, God, please. I don't want my marriage to end, please. Hey, what am I going to tell my parents? What am I going to tell the church? What am I going to tell my friends? What am I going to tell everybody?
What was I thinking? Like all this while, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Josephine, you are the cause actually. When I think about it, you are the cause of all this. You are the cause. You are the cause. You filled my head. You filled this my empty skull. You filled it. You were telling me your husband is cheating. Your husband is cheating. Your husband. That's the only thing. I asked you for one advice. You gave me 10,000 advice. I asked you for your honest opinion. You filled my head with bad opinions. You broke my marriage. You took my marriage and you squeezed it.
What are you even saying? What are you going on and on about? My marriage is broken too. Look at my face. My things are outside. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Let's come to think about let's even think about it. That man is a good man. He's a good man. I want to ask you, why were you vile? Why were you malicious? Why were you unkind? Why were you such a bully to him?
I just wanted to take charge of my home. I wanted to take charge of my husband. I wanted to control my home. That is all I wanted to do.
So you laid your hands on a man? You laid your fingers on a man? And you are weeping against Melissa, tears here? You laid your fingers on him? What gave you that kind of mentality?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I just want my husband to forgive me. I just want my husband to forgive me. I know what's wrong. I just want him to forgive me. Linda. What are we going to do now?
We?
Yes, what are we going to do?
We! There's no we.
We have to find a way.
There's no we.
We have to find a way to beg them.
There's no we.
Please. Please. We have to find a way to make them forgive us. We have to find a way to make them take us back.
Stop it.
Please.
Stop it.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did. I'm sorry. Please. We have to talk to our husbands. Please. Please. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. The both of them. And it's already 9 p.m.
What do you think?
We go get them back. They're still our wives. And I'm pretty much sure they have learned a very, very permanent lesson in this.
Yeah. You know, I still love my wife so much.
Of course. And I love my Linda too. My amazing wife. Let's go get them, all right? Let's go.